the viewer supports displaying DICOM structured reports, including any built-in graphical annotations. To view the content of a structured report, simply left-click on its preview image. This will open a pop-up that shows the full content of the report, organized as name-value pairs. To close the pop-up, click the Cancel button. If the structured report includes graphical annotations, these can be overlaid on the reference images. White ticks on the scroll bar on the right side of the panel indicate the locations of graphical annotations within the image series. Click a tick to jump directly to the corresponding image. By default, the overlaid graphical annotations are hidden. To display them, click the Show Annotations button in the toolbar, or press the configured key binding, which is set to the G key by default.